Chapter 7. More on MSWLogo. Topics covered: PO, PD, Pay, PPT and PR commands. Logo commands for doing calculations. Suppose we have to draw parallel lines. First we will draw the line PQ, then go to point R and then draw the line RS. Notice where we have lifted the pencil. In the same way, to draw such lines in logo, we use the pen commands. A turtle has a hidden pen that enables it to draw while moving. Pen up command. This command orders the turtle to lift up the pen from the screen and move without drawing a line on the screen. The short form of this command is PO. Pen down command. While using pen up command, we have seen that turtle stops drawing on the screen. Suppose we want to draw again, what will we do? We can use pen down or PD command. This command instructs the turtle to put the pen down on the screen and continue drawing. Pay and PPT commands. While drawing in logo, sometimes we might make mistakes. We can use the pen erase, Pay command to make the turtle erase a line. Draw a rectangle using the commands given below. FD50 RT90, FD80 RT90, FD50 RT90, FD80 RT90. Now, type and enter pen erase, Pay, and type the same commands again. Pay, FD50 RT90, FD80 RT90, FD50 RT90, FD80 RT90. We will see that as we enter each command, each side of the rectangle gets erased. Cyber tidbits. When we use the Pay command, the turtle erases by drawing in the current background color. In order to stop the turtle from erasing as it moves, we use the Paint PPT command. To draw the rectangle again, type and enter Paint PPT command and type the same commands again. PPT, FD50 RT90, FD80 RT90, FD50 RT90, FD80 RT90. As we enter each command, the turtle draws each side of the rectangle again. PR command. The print, PR, command is used to write text in the commander window. Various commands for writing numbers, words and sentences are shown in the table given below. Description. Command. Output. To write numbers. Print thus. Thus. To write words. Print hello. Hello. To write sentences. Print how are you. How are you. To write the first letter of a word or the first word of a sentence. Print first Bella. Print first how are you. Be how. Calculating in logo. We can also calculate in logo using the print and operating commands. We use the following operator symbols: for addition, apostrophe, for subtraction, for multiplication, and apostrophe/apostrophe, for division. The result is always displayed in the commander window. The different commands and their functions are shown in the table given below. Operator. Command. Description. Example. Plus. Sum. Used to find out the sum of two or more numbers. Print. Sum
11, 12,
13, 14, 15. Dash. Difference. Used to find out the difference between two numbers. Print difference 163. Asterisk. Product. Used to find out the product of two or more numbers. Print product 96, 30. Slash. Quotient. Used to find out the quotient after division of two numbers. It divides the first number by the second number. Print quotient 365. Percentage. Remainder. Used to find out the remainder after division of two numbers when the first number is divided by the second number. Print remainder 515, 25. Cyber tidbits. To calculate the sum or product of more than two numbers, the command and the numbers are typed inside brackets.